Friends, today we are at DevSet 2025. This is the flagship event by SIA India. This is the third year. This is being held at the Manisha Center. This is the beginning of the new year, 2025. Today we have the governor of Uttarakhand. He had given us all his viewpoints about how the space industry, जैसे उन्होंने बोला SSA, about सत श्री अकाल सोचते थे वो, but it's about sustainable space. So I am just now with the company Pinaka Technologies. They are in the exhibition space, and we'll introduce sir. We'll introduce yourself.
यहाँ पे इसके बाद
उसको जैसे लेमैन की भाषा में मैं समझ रहा हूँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि दर्शक बिकॉज हमारा भी यहाँ पे हिंदी मैं गवर्नर साहब से मैं चाहता कि मुझे मोदी जी का है कि आखिरी पायदान पे हमारी बातचीत पहुँचे तो आप उसको कैसे साइबर स्पेस में मतलब उसको कैसे आप उसमें क्या कंपनी जो है साइज सर्विस मैं तो उनके पास किया था कंपनी के लिए किया था यस सो वी नो ईच अदर एंड आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम यू सर योर इंट्रोडक्शन सर एंड व्हाट डू यू है क्या देखते हैं आपको
मैं एनालिसिस देखता हूँ व्हाटएवर अपडेट आते हैं
सर
after this
we get you as a company. Sorry, sir. Because the phrase is like, hello, hi. What's your name?
I'm Ravi.
Okay.
I handle partnerships for Pinaka.
Wonderful. मेरा एक सवाल है आप लोगों से जो भी आंसर करें that what the company when was it founded because I think it's your what 10 years no 2020 or so this is one of the fastest growing companies you want to add anything sir
जो सही सर है हमारा फोल्डर वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ था ये सब गवर्नमेंट में साइट चेक and he is known for building some great books which helped in India in security. So we are a security first company. So जो हमारा टूल्स है अभी तक और मल्टीपल सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज इंटरनली हमने हमारा टूल्स डिप्लॉय किया and they are using it for in their operations. Many successful, most of the important cases that we might have seen in the last 4 years, our team, our tools were deployed there. And when we are talking about the cyberspace, so here also we are more about security. So security is our first concern.
and your step set intending for security
So Pinaka was there last year.
last were you there not yourself
I
how do you feel you have been some sessions
yeah.
what do you want to say something about the sessions
Yeah.
what we are taking back take away from this 3 days deliberations anything from your perspective
Of course, sir. So basically, we have seen people from industry, people from government, people from different backgrounds. So listening to their talks and understanding the importance of space for India. So basically, be it 1970s war and Kargil war, there were multiple intelligence labs, like gaps in the intelligence, which can be covered through the space, our own satellites. There were times where America has didn't give even the GPS. So this is the time where
Chennai quota that stuff is there
so yesterday also some speaker when he is speaking, he was saying when Sunita Williams is stuck in the space.
yes
It is
Mr. Rohila
yeah.
production
Yeah. So when something which NASA couldn't do to protect SpaceX is doing. So that is the importance of private sector in this. So yeah, so
perfect so with us please come sir So you're having an experience, you know. So थोड़ा सा आप अपना background बताइए, तो what your education? Because you're in the senior, तो मैंने कहा आपसे experience. Where did you work in all this last 30 years?
ND technology. I have lot of data from this we will be able to move into reach newer space which introduce only this in this conference only. I heard lot of space is available for us. Newer space. We will be able to that is the take
I have,
this for you.
Yesterday when the sir was asking that two people stuck, so I was the one who answered Smita Williams. Because I'm following, I'm also following NASA. My nieces put me in the NASA mail, so sometime I may get a chance, if I live that long, to go into that. And I was lucky. We lived in Bombay, so I remember my father took me on his shoulder, showed me Neil Armstrong. So that was, they came to Bombay in 1969. So I have seen Neil Armstrong, I'm part of that history of the making. And Rakesh Sharma, when he was there, he said, Sare jahan se acha. So I've been to that and I've been to the Prime Minister's version जो है अपनी space को move करा है. Yesterday I was talking to somebody. I was in defense space myself, but we were in utility items. We were making stretchers for helicopters. So I was telling my niece who's a chartered doctor that they are allowing the private. I told my sister, she said कि गड़बड़ हो जाएगा पूरा private वाला सब हैंकी पैंकी करेगा. She didn't tell me, but उसके expression से ये लगी कि she is saying that the private people are doing. So I said no, they are big names. Mahindra is there. Like your companies, they are startup. People who are going to chart out the new India.
Discipline. Yes. If that discipline is not maintained, you can't have a Tata.
Exactly. I'm reading this auto, book on Tata Junction. So I've read 70 pages. Abhi the word steel starting. They have been crop merchants. I never knew that. They're like something like the old, Marwadi, the Bidlas cloth. They used to go to China, import, export. Yes, I have. So 70 pages में वही चाहिए. I don't know when they'll come into steel. They were there. So anything about you want to say about the deficit inside your city station? Chutti. Thank you. We come to you and you want to, anything you want to add to?
See, we are here.
No question. We'll see.
We came here to actually produce a solution, but we also, got to know about few requirements that
Please check it's going on.
that our country needs to have. So we will work on providing those solutions also, because we are a startup country and we are a growing country, and we will keep on working more hard and looking for more solutions that the country needs to have.
And now this is the third year for DevSet.
I think they haven't.
So now आप लोग उनके partner होते हैं. So every year you're going to be there. So next year what they
Isn't it? It's not recording, I think.
bigger space and a bigger
Yes,
exhibition.
Next year, it is a long time, we will see a lot of new products.
मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि अब ये आप लोग को भी एग्री करेंगे. DevSet is not only to be held in Delhi. It should go to the country. We should have one in Pune, one in Bangalore, Chennai, or wherever, Rajasthan, right? Because see, the startup ecosystem is not from only Bangalore, or it is not just from Delhi. Delhi is the political stuff, where it's all hodgepodge. So we need to really work. So then we need to take this, so they can have more additions. I think I'm just putting this one point. So when the DD7 will watch the video, so I think they'll get something, inside that, okay, how's the reaction of the people. So you think it should be happening in other places? Of course. So, exactly.
So, listening to talk yesterday today and understanding the core needs. So, basically, monetization is something really important. So, So we have enough technology with the available budgetary needs for our defense. But we'll be able to do great innovation, which is invention plus implementation. So we can do that when we can monetize whatever we are building. Yesterday even the they are devoting the challenge. So that can happen to building great products.
I was just was looking continuously at this Mitra Varuna. So what is this? Mitra Varuna?
Yeah. So
One second. Can you just check? Sorry, I just said yeah, it's going fine.
Yes, yes.
Height and all.
So Maitreya Varuna is I mean something like a Lockheed Martin that we are imagining, and like something.
Varuna is Varun Dev's.
So Maitreya Varuna are like it's an Indian historic.
It's part of the Pinaka technologies.
Yeah, exactly. Pinaka group of companies.
So how many people are in this ecosystem of yours?
So we are a 400 plus team, sir, which includes Pinaka, Sapta, Maitreya Varuna. So we are a group of companies focused on specific parts. And what we are into is especially in this monetization part.
Switch it off one second. So now I think we'll just end it. So thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Your company, next year we should see you somewhere getting awards, because that gives you a lot of satisfaction. And then other entrepreneurs, when they realize कि मेरे को भी award लेना है, then they work. Competition is always helpful. So competition में award का होता है. So thank you. This is Sanjay Agarwal signing off. Thank you.